Enabling biometric login on Grubhub can enhance your security and make accessing your account more convenient. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Update the Grubhub app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Grubhub app installed on your device. Go to your device's App Store, search for Grubhub, and update if necessary. Step 2. Open Settings. Launch the Grubhub app and navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Select Security Options. In the Settings menu, look for the Security or Privacy section. Here, you will find options related to account security, including biometric login settings. Step 4. Enable biometric login. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password string checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Test the biometric login. After enabling the feature, log out of your Grubhub account and then attempt to log back in using your biometric method. Ensure that it works correctly and that you can access your account seamlessly. By following these steps, you can easily enable biometric login on Grubhub, making your account more secure and easier to access. Enjoy your enhanced login experience.